Hi guys! So it is August 7th and I have done nothing exciting today. So I'll just tell you about my work. What I did was something called a transformation. Basically, that just entails having one of these little bacteria guys. We use E. coli. I don't know any labs that don't. I think that's pretty much the standard. Um, we have something called confidence cells, which are just bacteria that have the most bare bones amount of DNA. They have just enough to be able to express whatever DNA you put in there, which is sort of the point of a transformation. So what we do, well, what I did, was I had my little E. coli guy. This little E. coli is resistant against um, an antibiotic called carbenicillin, and or is that the plasmid? It's either that or chloramphenicol. I use two antibiotics and I don't know which one. I can't remember which one is which. But the plasmid that I put into it, which is just circular DNA that has my gene that I want to have expressed into, my protein later, um, just all in that big circle, which is put into the little bacteria guy. And that's basically a transformation. You can do it two ways. You can do it, what's the term? Electroporation. That's it. I knew it had like a put sound, but I wasn't sure. But what we do is we just heat shock them. They're fine. They like it. They like their little hot bath. It's like 42 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds or something. So yeah. And then he and the little DNA get to know each other and get some yummy media and get to swim around in it for about an hour. And then you pipette it out and you put it on a plate. Bam! Next morning they grow, even though there's antibiotics in the agar. The plates. Those little clear plates that have, and you also, because you're making them yourself, and then you put antibiotics, so that way it'll kill anything else that touches it. The colonies that grow are your happy E. coli with the plasmids you put in them. That's a successful transformation. And they're producing they're just living their own happy lives. Then you add something called IPTG, which makes them start to express this protein, the plasmid that you popped into these bacteria. Now they're like, yeah, we're alive and we're happy and we're just going to produce this protein because, yeah, cool. And then they do. And then you kill them and you take the protein out. And you use that for experiments. I'm sorry, little guy. I understand, Rachel. This is just part of science. I know, and I am sorry. Little bacteria have feelings too, I guess. So, yeah, that's a transformation. I don't know if this helps you or interests you at all, but yeah, every day at my job is something different for the most part. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be doing protein expression. The day after that, I'm going to try a whole new protocol for purification, assuming everything goes okay. I'm designing some buffers that I think might work a little better. I don't know, it's science. I get to make stuff up as I go. That's why I do it. Yay! So I hope that I am done talking about this because I have no more to say. The end.